Lesson 1, Chapter 1, Computer Culture for Grade 5. The objectives of this lesson is to review all skills learned in Chapter 1 for Grade 4. The duration of this lesson is for 1 hour. The objectives are already clear. To review what was learned last year, no need for software, and at the end of this lesson, students must have skills concerning printers, touch screen, CPU, motherboard, and RAM. Before you start, since it is your first lesson, I guess it is really important to create a dialogue between you and your students in order to see how much they remember from last year regarding computer knowledge, and if they arrive to link between all what was learned last year. That's why I really advise you to start by discussing a little bit what they remember from last year. What is hardware? Ask them several questions regarding what is hardware, what is software, why we use a computer, where do we use a computer, what are the manipulation that we can do on a computer, define the word data, give examples about data, what are the components that form the input devices, the output devices, what is a system unit, what can we found inside a system unit, the link between all three parts, some questions regarding softwares. And after discussing and asking those questions, you may pass to the book and quickly start doing this revision by asking about printers, for how many categories they are divided, and I just have to tick what are the categories of printers. What is a dot matrix printer, why it is used, does the inkjet consume too much ink, and the most economical printer is for sure the laser printer. Then after we go for the touch screen, where it is used, why it is used, is it output, is it input, or it is at the same time input and output device, and what it replaces as a touch screen, and if it is more expensive than a normal screen or not. We pass to the second page where few questions are asked concerning the CPU, the central process unit, and of course here we are asking if it is attached to the screen. Of course it's false. The central processing unit is cooled by a fan. Of course it's true. The central process unit can be compared to a man's heart. No, it's the brain. The speed is measured by gigahertz. And second, we go to the motherboard. You define what is a motherboard that links all the parts in the computer, even if it's inside the system unit or if it's outside the system unit. And of course, there is three questions concerning the motherboard, and at the end of this lesson we'll ask few questions regarding the RAM. Can save even if the computer is turned off, it's false, and the RAM is attached to the motherboard, of course it is true. So from the discussion you made at the beginning of the lesson, and then after the questions that you practice on the book, You can download an interactive or PDF where it is similar to the one you did, and you can send this PDF interactive after a while, 1 week, 5 days, 2 weeks, as you wish. And students must fill this worksheet by the name, the class, the grade, and then they will answer all the question asked regarding this sheet. So this is what you should give in the first lesson. Now it's time to turn or to pass to the second lesson.